Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video series we are going to do advanced SEO or off-page SEO on our website. So before we do anything, I would like to show you the ranking of our keyword in search engine. So our domain, the global version of Google, and then check all keywords. I'm showing you the current ranking because after we will do the off-page SEO, you can see the difference between the SEO techniques and before the SEO technique. I mean that what are the position of our keyword before we do any off-page SEO, and what will be the rank of our keyword after we do any SEO or off-page SEO. Okay. Okay, so out of 25 keywords, or out of 25 possible keyword combination of our focused keyword, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 keywords are ranking in Google top 300 result, and all other keywords are nowhere in 300 results of Google. So now we will start the off-page SEO or the advanced SEO, and we will check the result after we will create some backlinks of our website for these keywords. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.